What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's me, back with another video. I just posted a video yesterday, so if you didn't see that, it's not really worth your time. Low quality Christmas horror game, in case you were interested. Look, oh, wrong hand. Check it out, like right here. Here's a thumbnail. Okay. I'm gonna get started. We're gonna play this game. Made by Zagan Games.
Sorry for the short notice, but we really need communication in that area restored as soon as possible.
My mic is on,
Don't
right?
worry about
Yeah,
it.
it
You
is.
came in triple the usual, so I'll be quick.
That's the spirit. Just remember, the tower is right on the edge of the evacuation zone, so lay low, right?
Hey everyone, this is Manly Bandit.
Voice acting, fire. Oh, in case I didn't mention, or you didn't see, this game is called The Radio Tower. So pretty much we were sent out here to fix a radio tower. Alright, first assessments. This looks like a great game. Way better than the other game I played. We even got a shadow. Is that a bear? Oh, it's a cat. Kitty! Oh, I can zoom in. Alright, let's see here. Disrupt communications, scarecrow. Restore communications, first try. Kill Oliver. Are those achievements? The company needs you. Go beyond the limits of a lifespan. Try Forever Serum today. Warning. May cause unexpected side effects, including but not limited to major psychological and morphological alterations. The company shall not be held liable for, say, damages resulting from use. Get on the ladder. Alrighty. Wait, what does this say? Goob Lagoon. What's behind here? Nothing? Alright. Here we go. We gotta go up the ladder. Grab the screwdriver from your belt. Go ahead and put that back. Anything we gotta do here? Wait, I might... Oh no. Oh no. No, Oliver! Oh no! Oh no! I didn't mean to do Oliver, no! Oh my god. Oh. No. Oh. Oh well. Open and fix the electrical box. Among Us? Is this an Among Us reference? Alright, close that up. That's a big bird. See ya. Oh, I must have been getting tired. What the heck? Oh my god. Hurry. Oh my god, it's right there. No. No. Oh my god. We're falling. Oh my god. I'm not surviving that. I'm not surviving that, yeah. Oh. Checkpoint. Okay, cool. That's fast. That's very fast. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, take me. Adrenaline. Pull us through, adrenaline. Oh my god. There's no way it gets up here, right? Oh, okay. Looks like I managed to escape. What's wrong? Oh my god! The city! What happened? Oh my god! What is happening? Hey, language. I hear you, loud and clear. Loud and clear, loud and clear, I got you. Yeah, restore. I did what I had to do. Oh, they're gonna save them. No, they're not. Oh my god! Jump! Oh my god. Oh my god, we can outclimb it. We can.
Thanks to the sacrifice of a brave worker, the company could act quickly and take care of the issue.
I died. Alright. A nice little game. I'm gonna play again and get the other ending because I want to know. I want to know what happens if I don't. Oh, if I don't save everybody. Did I get it? I got Scarecrow. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Disrupt communication. 6 months later.
The virus started spreading. Today, humanity's last hope, the Greenland Fortress, has fallen. The vaccine research has completely halted. We advise that you stay close to your loved ones and enjoy the end, peacefully. This is all from me today, and remember, stay strong and lay low.
Ah, so it was like a zombie thing. What is that in the background? You guys see that? Is that like a road? Oh wait, yeah. I think that's a road with a bunch of cars on it. I think. Alright. Well, thank you everybody for watching. That was The Radio Tower, free on itch.io. If you want to go play it, shoot, my mic fell. Very sorry. Yeah.